It says in triangle JKL, the measure of angle L is that, JL is that, LK is that, blah, blah, blah. So let's draw a picture because that means nothing to me unless I actually see it. So I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, we can have any regular old triangle. I'm going to put J over here, K, and L. The measure of angle L is 90 degrees. Okay, sorry, that's not a nice picture, so let me redo that. We need a right triangle. There we go. Here's my 90 degrees right triangle. L is 90 degrees, so this one's L. The others are just JK. And then JL is 24, it says. So JL is 24, I'm labeling that. LK is 7, not drawn to scale, but that's fine. And KJ is 25. So I've labeled our right triangle. What is the value of sine of k to the nearest hundredth? So let me remind you what SOHCAHTOA looks like. Here is SOHCAHTOA. Of course, you could have it on your notes as well, but since our screen is small, I'm just writing it up here for you. We want the value of sine. So sine, is that the so, is that the ka, or is that the toa? Which one is it? S or sine? Which one should it be?
Sine?
Yes, but should it be the so, the ka, or the toa? Which one has the S?
The so.
The so. Good. So the SOH of so stands for sine of k is equal to, what was the O for again?
Opposite.
Opposite. And what was the H for?
Hypotenuse.
Yes, hypotenuse, hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So now you guys know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Good. So then let's put it together. We have our reference angle is K. That's what they said. So we're doing sine of K. I'm just going to put a mark here so we know we're talking about K. And we want the opposite side of K. What is opposite of K? What number?
24.
25.
4. So opposite of K all the way across, that red arrow is pointing to the number 24. And then we want the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is directly across from the right angle, which is the longest side, which is what? What is our hypotenuse?
25.
25, good. That was a really ugly 5. But our sine of K is 24 over 25. So essentially that is our answer. We just need to round it to the nearest hundredth. So get it as a decimal. So I'm going to type on the calculator, what is 24 divided by 25? And I'm going to round that to the nearest hundredths. 0.96. Yes.
I kind of go. Can I leave early?
Oh, okay. I mean, if you have to go, there's nothing I can do to stop you. So make sure you watch the video and do your homework, okay?
I'll email you if I need any help.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Ms. J. Thank you.
Okay, so rounding that to the nearest hundredth is 0.96. Hundredth is 2 decimal places, okay? Any questions on this? Okay, I'm going to enter 0.96 as our answer. Submit. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to draw a right triangle. Just any old right triangle. And they say the measure of angle W is 90, so I know that this one is my right angle. Let's also label the U and the V, because this is triangle UVW. Okay, so I got triangle UVW. VU is 65. UW is 33, because it's between U and W. And WV is 56. What represents the tangent? What ratio represents the tangent of angle U? So let me write SOHCAHTOA up on the top, and we want tangent of U. So which one is it that will tell us the tangent? Would it be the so, will it be the ka, or will it be the toa?
The toa.
The toa, good. So we have toa, the T stands for tangent in toa. The O stands for what?
Opposite.
Opposite. And then the A stands for?
Adjacent.
Adjacent, good. So tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent. And so let's put it together. We know that we want angle U as our reference angle, so that's this one up here. So what is opposite of angle U?
56.
Good, 56. And what is adjacent to angle U?
33.
33, good. And it's not the 65, even though that's also next to it. 65 would be the hypotenuse, okay? The hypotenuse is the biggest side. So when we're talking about the opposite and adjacent, you don't want to talk about the hypotenuse. So we got 56 over 33. I'm going to type that in a calculator because, oh no, they don't want us to round it this time. So this time it just says what is the ratio? So we can just type 56 over 33. This time they did not tell us to round our answer to the nearest hundredth, so I'm just going to give them 56 over 33. All right, any questions? Okay. 56 over 33. And we're good. Okay, so I think for the next 20 minutes, I think you guys can handle doing the Deltamath. Maybe you can even finish, and if that's the case, then you don't have homework this weekend, okay? If you do have questions, I want you to call me over and ask me for help because we do have 20 minutes, so I want to be able to help you guys as much as I can.